you will have a manual, a meter, a box. In this box, what you will find, let me show you that. Screws, and there are 4 screws. Now when you see this, the paddle which is marked as left, which is L, and the paddle which is marked as right. Now this is the seat, the handles, now you see these are the products which we have taken out from the box. First of all, you see this, the main frame, which is BIONFIT brand main frame. You will see there is the fixed handle. The fixed handle will come with the handle which is installed already there. Now you have seat, twister, this is for the front wheel, and these are the nuts, and this is the key which you will require to install it. In the main frame, you will see there is a belt which is attached over here, the tension frame which you can put it for tightening your grip. Then you have the knob which will adjust the seat, which you can adjust it.